Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Thank you all so much. Thank you guys. May God bless you. Thank you guys so much for coming. Thank you. Please guys, share this video. Share this video. According to our brother Atiti, Prophetess Atiti, say let the video go viral. Please let the video go viral. Meanwhile, let me play music before we start this matter. Wickedness is real, my people. Now we they do ourselves for this Europe. Now we they do ourselves. Why be say some black people, their mind it dark like charcoal. Their wickedness, you can't describe it. Their wickedness is just I don't know as I tell explain now. Their wickedness is just a thing. I don't know how to describe her. They are just so wicked. They don't care. They don't care. Anything that has to do with money, let me do it. Even if somebody, the ROIP for the matter, it not concern them. Why it be say, and some of all these wicked people, now still some of we Black Africa, now we see they clap for them. Because if they do something, instead of una to tell all these evil people where they behave like this, make them not they do what they do again. Una go they praise them, una go they aid them, una go they instead of una to correct them, say that is why black community, that's why evil people go hardly before they go come out. Evil people go hard before they will stop their evil, because there are some people where go be say go they clap out for them for the evil way that they do. They not go tell them say this thing way they do so it's not good. There are many people like that. Please, guys, share this video. Some people are so wicked. Some people, they are so wicked. Some people, why now? Why people wicked like this? Why some people wicked like this? Some people, they go, you see something, their fellow, because they not be you. Okay, now Esther. Okay, now another person. Okay, you will come outside and put more fire. So that you go, they burn. So that by the time where I check, if anything will happen to that person, it not be your family, not be your family, not be your sister, not be your brother. Why be so now wicked like this? Some black people, una heart, una mind black past charcoal. Charcoal that they use and cook, but some of una, now they push them. Now, I don't want to call that useless old fool. He said she don't take for Germany. Yeah, meanwhile, person where just come yesterday, gets sense past her. He gets sense past her. You know why he gets sense past that old fool? I'm not talking to Eddie Murphy now, because I'm not calling her pastor again. I don't remove the pastor come up for inside, okay? Because a man of God does not behave like that, okay? So, my lovely people, I'm talking to that useless Suma audio where I see yesterday night. You say you don't take for this country. You marry Oyibo. You don't know how it works here. That is why they say education is very important. You know, say when they talk, say, I know something. I go school. Meanwhile, you don't go. The time when you take go learn something where you don't know, where you don't understand. Your user they do say I know, meanwhile you don't know anything. There's all these upcoming Nigeria black people where come this Germany now. They know something past all those old people where be say they say they don't say for the Europe, they know everything. But at the end of the day, they don't know anything. They can't they disgrace black people for Europe. They can't they give black people pay for Europe. Now what do they do? Hello. Yeah, in real life. Irena. Talk, I dey hear you.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Mama, you see this matter, so no vessel.
Yeah.
This matter, is this man when they call Eddie Murphy?
Hey, just they call him name, now not call her pastor again, because na fake pastor. Because I go tell una why I thought say na fake pastor. I dey hate person when I go respect, he go disrespect me. I call that man phone because of na my Benin sister, na my Nigeria sister. That is why I call that man phone. That man not supposed to call the phone. Then he call my phone because waiting he do me, oppress me, he even do me past this lady. So he even do me past this lady. But I let go because of my Benin sister. I let go because nobody know tomorrow. You understand me? I let go because of this lady. This lady cried to me. And this lady cried to me. I see say wetin happen. Now just small mistake now this lady do. Not be big mistake at all. We are going to explain it to the world. Please, everybody, help me to share this video. This lady will come inside this video. Mona see who get this blame. Mona see. Because the month is say make we come and we come they insult Aramieya Uefe and the wife. You don't do that. You cannot insult people like that. You cannot insult people like that. No. Because of saying we not come they insult Aramieya Uefe and the wife. Then the month say where shall we will come there. Talk.
Mama Peter.
Talk, I dey hear you.
Mama Peter, no vessel.
Yes.
For one point, I wish maybe this lady carry that man and the movie go court. Maybe the lady win the case. The lady for no come they talk all those one.
My sister, let me correct you there. Let me correct you there. Wait, see, let me correct you there. Let me correct. I better go. Let me correct you there. My people, the lady carry Eddie Murphy go court, even if a biological father. You have a right because why? If the baby they sick, he want go door to door, say me papa, or they want do operation for that baby. According to Jama law, now they explain to una. Mona no they talk with una no no. If the baby they sick, maybe he want do operation, don't say me papa can sign. You understand? So that one where Eddie talk say na dodge. Now I say make they do blood test. That one a lie. I want make the girl come explain now with him mouth. So make I finish with I they talk. Meanwhile, Mona share this video. Mona share this video. Mona share this video because some old fools wey don't take for this Europe. Now there be the problem where newcomer they get. Now then they don't pass road finish. They don't want make another person pass the road. They don't do something. I'm waiting this lady so waiting go take get joy victory at the end. Now money now he pay for pastor Eddie Murphy. Now money not be free. Now agreement now. Now let she don't do it before. Jama people, they even know say that they do it because now we black, let's go there, go use our mouth, take talk with where they sleep. Some women, they two here their husband, they go they quarrel. He go say, hey, you don't want the man again. The man go say, you want leave me? He go meet job center. He go meet social. He go meet all those places. They don't already use their mouth. No black people as their team be. Jammers, they know say we don't they do already, but they leave us because they know say they're going to survive. As far as say we don't thief. You understand, so my lovely people. And we don't go report ourselves before. You understand? Black don't first go talk here, they sleep already. So what till they come they talk, what till they come they you understand? So I want make this girl come talk by himself first before we go there. You understand? So why I really come outside and one old fool, very wicked devil woman, that woman, they always they cause confusion for this social media. He sell his old age to small pikin because I don't want to give her popularity. Because I come meet her for a Facebook video. I come meet her for live video. My page now, I get almost 22,000 plus followers. Then my YouTube, I get 2 monetized channel. So that make her they jealousy me. She will don't spend 10 years for live video. Her page never get many followers where I get. He reach where she will take jealousy me. Our YouTube is not monetize. He reach where she say jealousy me. And many things there when they take the jealousy me when they want drive me at us. Me, I did this social media for so long now. I dey set small things at all that bad. I know you they do sag. I know they wait for anybody wait for make I come quit talking. So my lovely people, meanwhile they wait for this game make come clear inside though. Let me give message to some old fool where if it be say they don't enter Europe. 1990 bigidi no day. My mama where you enter 90 bigidi where you don't take for a year. If you not go school, you don't know anything. Person where come yesterday, go German school, go Kaloy Ladia, you go do the necessary, the meaningful. He not pass you because he gets some that video where I watched yesterday. That useless audio. I don't want to play for my platform. She say she don't know right a law. She don't know she marry Igbo. She get her document very easy. People will not get that documented. You they talk anyhow. But madam, come here. Do you know that it was agreement? Before they start this thing, it was agreement. The man decide, say, as according to the law, Eddie, you are greedy because you are betraying also the law. You are betraying the law that help you. Also, you sell it for people. You are not allowed to sell it for people. Now you sell it for people because of say this girl na mugu. You come they collect this girl kinder girl. This girl said all her gold, sell everything where she gets. She use that to give you money. Then our brother Agamiya wife come outside, come to say, this one is not good for a Benin brother to do to a Benin sister. The money wanna pay, wanna settle before na start this thing. He don't pay you, he say yes. You don't pay him, he say yes. It's okay. Why can't they carry your children money where you take give them food? You're not supposed to carry on. That was the hatred that the Murphy had for Agamiya welfare, which everybody will fight for a Benin sister or a Nigerian sister, because we all know how it works here. We are, you pay the money, everybody do their own. How can you still be in that same family and be collecting the kindergarten? If they say make this girl still confess, if he go still talk true, maybe you'll still surprised and say, even this Eddie Murphy doesn't sleep with this girl. Because the way they carry this girl matter, not really leave her. It's not fair. It's not fair. Because some of us, if we see people weakness, we not go overuse her. We not go overuse her. Because I carry my phone to call you. I regretted it because why? I BT say you be pastor, say you don't change. Okay, this girl cried to me and say, Benin sister, she cried. I say, this is what you want to do, so I not go fit do it. She say, I beg. People say, now only you, now go fit call Eddie because of say, he don't realize what he do to you. So he go surprised and say, you carry your phone, call her. He go really shocked. He never expected. We quarrel since 2015 when they bully me. Come reach 2021 before he come call me and say make I forget. Say I beg. That one don't pass na person that lie to lie of me Torah. Now say why you not ask me that time? Why you can't they bully me for so long? What till I do you? You understand? So we settle it. But because of this lady, make me to really finally forgive Eddie Murphy. Then Eddie Murphy come live video, come they talk, say nobody carry me go Ayela la. Now people they carry people. You where you don't go eat swear for palace. They don't swear for you already. Which swear? Which swear again? Because no where ebono no revu ye eto. Emi ega guye emi ya gwalo. Edi ebono wa view wo boji ve gwanya mo ho ni we wa balo woni. There nobody no hear me where ye bove. I think that is the part of the thing that is worrying you because are you where vote on we see we do wa making an agbi we to we webo u see u kutamia wa agbe o wa making agbona lock we to we webo. You will help that Edo person but you are not doing it. You are giving pains to Edo people. You are giving money is not everything. Money, legacy is the most important, most expensive thing if you can do it in life. Legacy. You leave legacy. You leave legacy. You understand? You leave legacy. Legacy is one of the important things. Please, any bad comment, I'm going to remove you out of here. I'm not there yet for you. Legacy is a thing. Eddie will not do anything because this thing happen. Everybody see it. I will go there and stand as a Benin sister when it comes to court. If Eddie don't want to let this matter die, I will stand with the girl. If the girl don't know her right, I will stand with her. I'm saying it this on a national TV now. I will stand with her because it's a deal they do together. It's a deal yeah, where could okay, we do this thing and not be only she Eddie don't do too. They go check in name, say, you don't do for this one, 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 which means it's not a new thing. You understand? Why now some of una black people now they hide on that bad thing? Why now they hide on that bad thing? You understand? Why now wicked like this? Because of say me and that lady not come live video that day na come they insult Agamiya welfare and the wife. Fine, the mistake don't take the ball. Not be only she made mistake. Eddie, you also made mistake because now you thought say you want blood test for that court. Court not tell you say they want blood test. But you come outside on the lie. Why all the lies? Why all the lies? And another thing, the way you still talk, You say now you rent house for the girl. You forget say na person that you introduce to her where this girl pay almost 1,200 for. She say he give the girl 600. He say the girl, you go they follow her, they go to me appointment like this. The girl go collect 150 for your hand. 150 euro. Woman with 2 children with small baby. Una use this woman, una use her. Wana kai, wana bon wekwa. Mona they fear God. That woman where go find that house, Mama Melissa, where there for Bottrop. Where go find, I give her a time when she take call. Say never knock. It remain 3 minutes. I say when she come, una go hear her from her. Person where help that lady look for that. This girl pay 600 euro cash to a Benin lady. Where help her find that house. But if una listen to the audio where the movie do yesterday, he said that they give her that house. He said that they do everything. Even this lady wants shit since we enter Deutschland. And this make you pay for the shit. No, if we just see Mugu, make we just finish and we just finish and we not talk now. We not talk. The agreement of Eddie and that girl is that if he does sign, they don't give they agree the amount. If na 5K give her, if na 6K give her. You understand? But Eddie continue to use this lady to wash his children's clothes, clean the house, do everything, collect money. If she want shit, if she want mess, then Agameya welfare now finally rescue this girl. You understand? I don't want curse out for my followers where they think say these people they are right. I for say wait till she see me use this here. Because no cool no de or even no de or because I respected this man, was begging him as if he's God that day. But I just wanted peace. Say okay, epa where what in since we need a blood test. Where what in yan we come here woman need the way was settled. He said we should come to live video. We say, pa, we don't need to come to live video. Please forgive and forget. Who were surprised we met here? He said, we don't know whether what here, when I will forget. Honestly, the national recording, man. But in my record, that is why recording is very good. You see why people do recording? You see why people do recording? In my to get recording, we beg this man, we beg. Yeah, in a way, a part were surprised we met here because we had done a hina. Or back when I went on the dojo, ma when I'm wearing a yobo, that we had do call we see, it be my gag be ma. So, a passes to go you know where Camilla will need a blood test. Where you know where Camilla will have a settled. This girl never go there to talk, say, way, you need a blood test. 50% when I get ya when we, no, ego no. Free. Also, suppose you did it, that don't work. That is how it is. Or when we do boy, no what be kuwere. That is how you work in Germany. Iye mi ebe rokpa. Did not go ahead with your equally protest. Iye na do mi ebe. Okay, we do where go again and isange kwane. You take ×3 of that money. Okay, why now again you are carrying this matter? Why some people wicked like this? You understand? Why some people wicked like this? Why not wicked? See that just let old fool. See what you call it. You don't know law, madam. You know your no law. That is why you got the jump. They talk anyhow. You don't know law. Let me tell you, because I go school here. I they do dementia here. People know me for my city. I they talk German. I don't go school for Nigeria. Now here now for go school. Use how they learn. Use how they write English. Use how that's why I spend their time say they made mistake. But I know how to read and write. But I use German. German is a very good country. You understand? German. Did you when you they talk? You don't know how many what you don't do before this game. You just say German. Don't know say you they collect money. But they leave you. As far as say you not thief. They leave you. Eh? Why are you people wicked like this? If this girl can't sleep, then you don't wake up. Don't say one Benin girl don't die. Don't sleep, you don't wake up. Why not wicked like this? I'll see what mother they talk for live video yesterday. And you know you take more than you can chew from that girl. You know you eat that girl, go reach. Make I call you again, make she come explain. Because send on that. Hey God. Now we will be our problem. Oh. Now we people wicked. Hey. I did very disappointed, really. I did very disappointed. Oma atami me way. E matter na. I don't believe.
Bienvenue chez Laika Mobile. Votre appel est...
I don't go believe. If somebody tell me say this matter not go.
Gewählte Nummer ist nicht voll.
You understand?
Die von Ihnen gewählte Nummer ist nicht vollständig.
You understand, my lovely people? Ah. Hello, my sister.
Hello,
Mm.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to contribute.
Okay.
For this, you know, because if you like our people don't understand why this get they talk. If you like say they don't understand.
I bet my sister they talk. I want quick piece you. I beg they come. They talk that they hear you.
If you like say our people will not understand this matter. This Zoge rest so when this guy they say make Dimorphy make get equal rights with him. The guy they right because if you say when we look up, not be Dimorphy get the picture. You understand? This guy pay him for everything. And Dimorphy job don't finish. You're not supposed to follow this guy. They drag Zoge rest again. He not suppose. This Zogere so, it's supposed to be na real papa na. If you do the 50-50 with him, how can you don't be your picking, you're going to follow the guy that drags Zogere? Because why the Dimorphy want made this guy they give a Zogere so, my people? Now because because I still get equal rights with the guy now. I still going to do 50-50 with this guy now. Then anything when this guy go want to, they will call it the Dimorphy. Then Dimorphy now will call they collect money from this guy. Now what he want to do so? He will call they collect money now. Say maybe if the guy, if you want to follow the guy go anywhere, they go say maybe the guy pay give him 200 or 100 euro. Now what he want to do with this guy? Normally before, if you do this kind of thing for person, you don't suppose even follow the guy, even drag that to the rest because he not consign you. Just give the guy all the equal rights. He not concern you at the movie. Later you go come and you say you be pastor, you be this. Why are you they pretend? What is concern you concern of the rest? You with the guy contract not finish already. Why this guy start tire this guy? Why? This of the rest not concern you. Why did they follow the guy they drag him? Why they follow and they drag her? Sometimes I would the one that say, why I be say if I were doing people do something for person, the thing they read, then they use life tire person. Why? If another try do this thing for this girl now, this girl go drink water, he go keep cup. This thing not concern you. Wow. This dog a rush. You're not supposed to be follow this guy. People drag him at all. I'm not surprised if they say that after the thing will not reach 2 years, now you will give the guy the right. Are you kidding me? Now you're picking? So when I want to understand what the person say the guy is an ungrateful person, the guy not be ungrateful person. It's not the rush, not concerned with the book. So I if you do something for person, you're not going to let person thank you and say thank you. Now once you use one to take spoiler.
You understand me? My sister, this thing is so painful because I don't see many people where be say where do with Togo people, Ghana people. If they don't go collect the 50% because they know why they collect her. Just because of say the pikin they die. Or maybe they want to do operation. Or maybe want. So that is why the mother need them. So they're not going to wait for a papa me mama and a papa consign. So even court, they know that one. That is why they talk say mo kuna go court. Mo na go change her. You understand? So many people they change her. Even if the pikin reach 2 years old, he not reach 2 years old, he reach 1 month old, even if na papa, even if that is law for you. That useless old woman where come they talk yesterday, he don't know anything, not go school. He don't know what is law. Because that they give that 50% to the man where he there for the child life. Anytime where they take caller, he go they come, he go they dead there, he go dead there, he go, you understand? But this one, Eddie Murphy get his wife and his children where they take care of. So Eddie Murphy wants it there for this girl life, so that if Eddie Murphy called, if this girl call Eddie Murphy, so that he go they collect 100 euro, 50 euro from this girl hand. Eddie Murphy, the money when you don't chop, when you chop this girl, kinder get for almost 3 or before you 2 years, he never still reach you. Where it be so now wicked like this?
I still call when they call this woman when they call Shakebo Mama. You say you did Germany, you don't even go love for Germany.
Oh, Shakebo Mama no get sense, so I don't want to pronounce her name for Jen. She know your guess and a very mumu Pepsi, very rubbish anyhow. So Shakebo Mama, come and listen to this video where they do now. Make you forget sense, pick sense for inside. Okay? You don't know law. It like you spend 30 years, 100 years, yeah. Even me, self, waiting me not know many. My son, when me born for year, wait there for 15 years, going to 16 years, yeah. He know more than me. I dey ask a question because the school where he go past my own.
How you go do that? Me don't understand. Because Eddie Murphy want me to collect money for him. That's just the truth of the matter.
He wants to talk now. He said that 500 euro now he pay for lawyer. Now the girl can say, okay, don't worry. I go give you the 500. I can say, okay, my sister, just give her the 500 euro. Wait, take lawyer. We beg Eddie. Eddie, the line where you gonna talk for social media now. Not be you tell George. Say you want blood test, you not go give her. Make he give you blood test. Where you know, say the agreement, the business now do together, he pay you for it. Okay, why you can't demand for blood test? Why you know say this guy pay you for it? He can't they change or can't they lie for social media? Because of say I say make we respect you, may you let this matter go. You know what yet? You just say all these people no know say the black people they do one. They know many don't go report yourself, okay? Even they see the children will be your own and 5. Many where you don't pass 200 or even 300 because of greediness. You just say they don't know say you be fake, but they all leave you. Maybe now this girl old and they go make God punish you. Now you never know because now you ask for blood test. Now you lie. Now you collect money. Now you still go court. Go they talk say you they look for blood test. Why you go court go talk say you need blood test? When you know say na agreement na business will not do. This is what I want to come and clear to the world. You understand? Now the lady they call, so I don't want to pick a call again because I don't the verse for her. She tell me say she will call for 10 o'clock. She not call. Maybe they don't call her. I don't know what she call because the lady said according to According to the lady say it's okay put craze for her body. It's okay say the lady put craze for the for her body. So I don't know the one who can put craze for each other. But the girl saying don't go Socratic. It's okay say she never go Socratic. So my sister, you see why record is good. You see why record is good. You see her.
Pick the girl. Pick the girl.
I don't want pick. Make it go that side. I don't know. Oh, that for Niger.
Sure, maybe a mistake, you know, maybe networking or.
So that is it, my lovely people.
I know you pick the girl call. Which is it talk our own.
It's too painful because you cannot agreement with somebody. Many people they do that they collect her because the agreement. You go even some people go do it for you. Go say, don't worry, you take the 50%. Don't worry, good like that. You never see many people whether they give 50% just like that. 100% go. You go say, just take her. I don't need that. Because our business. You don't collect money now. You want to collect everything where they get paid for. It's not done, wicked man. He get paid for it. He paid ×2 for the money. He paid ×2. My sister, may I pick another person call? Thank you. You feel call back. Hello.
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 Esther Tosho, good morning.
Good morning, my sister.
Yeah. Number one, the word go many when I go talk. Number one, who use Benito they talk the things. This now we.
He don't cast. Don't be people like Eddie that they cast and so. He don't already cast. Why Eddie go there, go they talk say he need blood test. Where be say
And
people they do it, they go do it, they will come out there. No here go here, and not be any bad thing. But just that we just say, okay, make we beg you. Since you don't go change that to problem.
now you present your show.
Oh yeah, talk, I dey hear you.
So the problem be say, I want to make you judge this matter without hate. Come on, hate, say you hate.
Oh, I don't hate waiting you they talk. Now you are not a good person. You are a very bad person. Am I talking this matter like a hate now? Don't talk like that. I'm telling you the law of the country where I live. Everything the way it happen, the way I come. So I'm not talking about this matter because of hate. I'm not. Don't change my topic for me.
Oof. They talk.
I know they talk. Now you they talk because now you want to change it. I know they talk and they talk and generally how it's supposed to be. Now you want to change. No, because they tell me.
Carry body go court.
Eh?
Who fair carry body go court? Now I did carry her go court or now she carry the go court.
My sister, they do it for you. That they carry person go court if you want 50%. Because if you go tell them for you get sent for year, say you need the 100%, you will explain that to them. Say this man he get a family, but I just born for I know they get time. I don't want to make her they disturb her. Yes. Yes. Meanwhile,
she not get stand. When she not say she not get anything.
She get stand. She pay for the stand. If you don't know anything, listen, make her explain to you how it works here.
They explain me want know carry me want know the way the matter starts.
My sister, so you know they listen to me since, right? The thing of the what happen be say, my sister, you know say agreement for year. You understand? You see this useless boy. I fell leave you yesterday. I not block you. I'll block you today. This Zion. So Zion, you are out of my platform. So my lovely sister, make I explain myself to you, Jenny. Okay? Make I explain myself to you. See, before you sign 50-50 for a year, you get the law, they go read down for you. They'll still tell you, say, before they sign up for you, see the law. If you say you don't want again, you don't get anything, you need to pass it through the procedure of court. That's have nothing to do with the rights. We just wanted to respect Eddie Murphy and tell Eddie Murphy that she's sorry. Normally, my sister, if you go market, go buy something. Not be waiting you want buy, you go pay for.
Of course.
Then if you don't pay for waiting you want buy, we all know how they work here. You don't pay already. You understand? And you know, say this thing where you pay for, the man don't need to come back again, or the woman don't need to come back again. You understand what I mean? Hello? You dey hear me?
I hear you. Of course,
so then only thing we go make her come back is very easy thing. We be say Eddie Murphy go fit do for this lady. You understand? Which wait, now may I talk and finish. Wait, I talk and finish. Wait. Other people don't feel they go take her back. I don't see many people. But if the man understands say that business they do, you don't want defraud person. Because as they go court that day, what Eddie Murphy supposed to do, okay, take your 50, everybody go. Because you not concern Eddie Murphy to come the talk say, I need blood test. When you know say he pay for you.
I start talk show, wait first. When you know, when the woman knows say she dey deal with greedy person like Eddie Murphy, why she go even carry herself go court? Why she not do it in a way when be say she not go there at fault? She not go put herself for problem.
Wait, she never enter any problem. Now let me tell you, she never enter any problem. Now we black that be our problem. She never enter any problem. This matter is so simple, so okay. What Eddie supposed to do be say, as me and the lady call her, this say I beg no verse. We don't know say you go change her for the lady for court. This is what other people they do. You understand? So Eddie Murphy, I beg no verse. We don't know say you still the verse for waiting the lady. You know say the lady if I go cry for Agamia UFA. Show say this man don't pay her the money, but you see they collect my children money. We know they see money, food they eat, everything. So everybody come talk, put say, the mafia, why you greedy like this? Since this woman don't pay all this money, why you see they collect the children money? You know they see money till they feed these children, leave her alone, and the money they come back off. So this lady want just cut Eddie Murphy off because why? He don't already do business with her. Their business don't finish. That make her go. You can do it if the man is not a greedy man. You will give your 50. Everybody will do the. But we are different for come do something when me not like. Listen to me, my sister. You don't know what they happen for you. Listen to me. If you don't want listen, I go cut you off. If you don't want listen, I go cut you off. As I did go cut that day, he not supposed to ask for blood test when you know say they don't pay you money. You know they pick points out of this thing. Now the Murphy now ask for blood test, not be caught. And then the Murphy not supposed to ask for blood test when you know say he don't pay for that blood test. Hello.
Yeah, my lady, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
As this matter here, you know, say I'm a very greedy person. You
Yes.
don't get shit.
But you don't see the video one woman come they do yesterday. That video really touched my heart. He can't they talk law way no can't they lie.
No, I don't know about the video. I just contribute more.
Okay.
See, as this matter don't be like, I said, it say it too wise. Before, I did not know why the woman go court, but now you talk say the woman go court because why you cut Eddie off, so that tomorrow Eddie will come back and say they drag her money. Go court.
Yes.
Okay. As the rich corner now, Eddie can't say it too wise. Eddie can't tell like.
They will make this person. I better make a fair receive this call first. We they hear you, my sister. God bless you. Continue.
Okay, so let me talk to.
Now you are the talk to somebody. Be one cut your call. Now I cut that one. Come on, make you talk.
Okay. Okay. See what you will go to my lady. As far as everybody don't beg it, because I see say you said do like video.
I beg it that day. Evidently we may. Now you forgive it Noah. Eddie ya me for the social media. Eddie always all give him a pain, he stress him, he laugh him. He might do all you.
So see what you will go do, Eddie yesterday I see last video he say the court paper already come and say they don't tell us see where we for go do the test. There is nothing he can do. They must do the test. Now wait till he talk yesterday.
Now because they ain't demand that now. Okay, if they can't do the test, my sister. They can't see say not being getter. The girl go still talk. Say I pay for it.
Mama, wait now why you go talk. As long as he talk, say he call a lawyer yesterday. The lawyer tell her say if he make enough stop, put me not put himself for problem. Cause don't give the hospital where they go, make they go do the test. Fine. The whole thing already be like this finish. If he reach, give that woman reach court, let that woman just open the muffin nash. Make it up where the muffin just confess her sin. just tell court exactly the truth. She might be lucky. They fit even give that pikin. Then we go tell court say, they have record of doing this business. All the people where they don't do for, they will bring out the record, come check her to know say they has been into this business. May this woman just tell a lawyer the whole truth. May tell lawyer the whole truth. Now what me see for the as I said, this say there's nothing he can do about it. He not feel reverse the matter. Court already given hospital when he want to go do the test. He go do the test. And his lawyer tell her say if he not do the test, he go put himself a problem. So say there's nothing he can do about it. It is an only one will fit punish the woman. So as it be like this now for everybody has to open. Now after all, Mokin Face don't fair report this issue for court for police station before say did they do child trafficking? I be with the color. So many people don't report it before. Now evidence don't come out. Now he use demand for blood test. Actually, you are wicked.
But
after you collect money, that money will haunt you. I don't know which pastor you they do. You call live video, they say battle center. Which nonsense battle center? Which nonsense? But you are wicked.
and we beg this man, say we no want make this matter come out for live video. We beg. He said no, we must come live video. That lady must come. They beg her for my live video. Me go still beg her for the live video.
Okay,
Me, I can't do live video. You know what's the live video? When I do, we call the beg Eddie. Eddie say no satisfied. He say me no insult Agameya welfare and a wife. Me supposed to insult Agameya welfare wife. Me supposed to insult you know, make this man. Now say me, I know they do saga again. I don't fit talk out like that. Remember, I said this be nigga and your sister. You don't collect money, pay put. Not be free. You take you even take more than 3 times money. May you rest for this matter. He said because of me go rest. If we all do live video, even that live video where I do that, there the movie be when you turn out to my own. Because of say I talk through, say I pa, you collect too much money for this girl hand already. May you rest for this matter. May I still pick another call? Thank you. God bless you. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. They watch me. Yeah. Good afternoon.
I come for this live video when you are doing it by the
I beg speak pidgin English. I beg. We dey hear you.
Yeah, waiting you see for them. The woman, if you read that cup, if he come to say Edmofi say I give her money, he go get it. Make sure you take us say I see said Edmofi give me the brele because he's clean with me also. Because men they not come deport and go Africa, you go stranded. May just thought that word. They not come deport, they not do anything again. This one with all the see so. They didn't even leave the paper for a bit just plan more than 10 years now also. So I know the law of everything.
They'll collect the German passport.
Yeah, they'll collect the German passport on the baby. They'll go give her for the normal document like 1 year or 2 years. You understand? My husband even know everything about those things. So let you know your thoughts. Say
okay, what about all the money we did don't collect? He can still go court, go they talk, say in one blood test. My people, that kind of thing good.
It's not just good at all.
This man wicked though. Why he go they do that kind of thing? Normally supposed to just give her, make it carry a while and go make everybody do their own.
Yeah.
Because he pay put now, more they talk the truth.
Madam, sorry, don't put that girl into problem. Just tell that girl say, you don't know it is a Edmofi. You don't know who give her belly. They will never deport her. And only that German passport they'll just take it, they'll give her that, they'll give her normal residence. And as if she not pass 4 years, they can never deport anymore.
You understand?
Okay, my people. I said the more you can go they call from different platforms, can they live for the girl head. He good.
Yeah, you don't forget about all those ones. The life, whatever, everything. That one is already passed.
Hello. Hello, for your court. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello, I hear you.
Now you call me now, talk.
Okay, should I call you back?
No, talk now, we are hearing you.
All right. Now they follow a live conversation.
Yes.
Regarding Edin and one woman in Germany or wherever here in diaspora.
Yes.
I think it's high time our sisters and brothers should stop disturbing people in social media. People will connect that woman to Edin know saying that business they do. They settle that woman. So what is the essence of coming to let the woman go to court and tell them that this is social media?
Hello. 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 We dey hear you. Hello. Hey, yeah. You don't cut. So, my brother, Eddie, they settle that woman now. You don't see, say everywhere, don't for social media. Where Eddie, we beg Eddie not to bring this matter on social media. We beg her. He said, no, we must call social media. Oh. We must call social media. Oh. You understand? This my way cause so not a bit talk, but I be your one may you continue. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, Esther.
Good morning, my sister.
So, the matter why I sleep for here, make the girl no fear, na two alternatives.
This girl no dey fit sleep for night, oh. This girl don't call me. I say, I bet I don't want to talk put. I bet leave me. I don't want to talk again. Since I don't beg Eddie Murphy, no one agree. I bet remove my matter for come up for this matter. This girl don't even go psychiatric hospital. This girl don't mad, though. This girl don't mad. It's okay they talk for like for video say the girl he put craze for her body. The girl say it's okay put craze for her body, but now only the girl that don't go psychiatric hospital. This matter don't go far. Oh. You dey hear wetin they tell you so? This girl don't go psychiatric hospital. Come oh, for this matter. Eh.
The matter na two option. Yeah? He go tell them say